Daily use English sentences with Urdu translation. आसमान अबर आलूद है. The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. आपको सब कुछ संभालना पड़ेगा. You will have to handle everything. You will have to handle everything. Everything की मानी है सब कुछ. तुम्हारी जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. मैं बैठने के लिए जगह तलाश कर रहा हूँ. I am looking for a place to sit down. I am looking for a place to sit down. तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा नहीं सकते. You can't hide anything from me. You can't hide anything from me. ये किस किस्म का सवाल है? What kind of question is this? What kind of question is this? मैं जाकर तुम्हारे लिए पानी लाऊंगा. I will go and get water for you. I will go and get water for you. ये कपड़ा कमतर म्यार का है. This cloth is of inferior quality. This cloth is of inferior quality. आपको ये आदत छोड़नी चाहिए. You should give up this habit. You should give up this habit. Habit की मानी है आदत. क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? What is happening? तुम क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हो? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? मैं वहां जाता था. I used to go there. I used to go there. मैं कभी कभी वहां जाता हूं. I go there sometimes. I go there sometimes. किससे बात कर रहे थे? Whom were you talking? Whom were you talking? वो कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? वो उसे कैसे तलाश करेगा? How will he find him? How will he find him? Find का मानी है तलाश करना. अब आप कहाँ जाएंगे? Where will you go now? Where will you go now? मैं थोड़ा मसरूफ था. I was a bit busy. I was a bit busy. हर चीज की एक हद होती है. There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. मैं सुबह देर से उठता हूँ. I wake up late in the morning. I wake up late in the morning.